Ali and Beth make components in a factory. Ali works faster than Beth and makes 3 more components per hour. As a result, he takes 2 hours less time than Beth to make 72 components. Let T hours be the time that Ali takes to make 72 components. So first one, we write an expression for the number of components made per hour by Ali and Beth. Part 2, derive the equation that they've given. Part 3 is solve this equation to find the number of times that Ali and Beth take to make 72 components. So we start with the first part, and that is it takes T hours for Ali to make 72 components. So in 1 hour, it would make 72 out of T components. And for Beth, it takes T plus 2 hours to make 72 components. So in 1 hour, Beth would make 72 divided by T plus 2. So that answers the first part. Moving on to the second part, what we do is we equate the number of components Ali and Beth make in 1 hour. So what we have to do is the number of components. We've already worked out the number of components per hour. Now there's one fact in the question that we have not used, and that's this one, that Ali works faster than Beth and makes 3 more components per hour. So it is this bit that we will use in this, to equate the two the two expressions. So what we do is we can write 72 out of T minus 3 because Ali makes 3 components more. Or to equate it, you will have to take the 3 components away from Ali to make it equal to the number of components that Beth has. So that's what I did. So the next thing we do is, we try and work out. So 72 minus 3T divided by T equals 72 out of T plus 2. And then you go on to do cross multiplication. So T plus 2 times 72 minus 3T equals 72T. And then we get this expression, which then 72T cancels out. So we are left with 3T squared plus 6T equals 144, and we take 3T outside the bracket and we get 3T times T plus 2 equals 144, and that's the expression they've asked for. So that completes part 2. The next thing, part 3, we have to solve the equation. So we can simplify this because 144 is divisible by 3, so we don't have to it makes it easier. So then if I simplify it, I get T squared plus 2T minus 48 equals 0. And then know that 48, if I can factorize, break down 6 times 8, so then 8 minus 6 is 2, and I use that fact. So I get T squared plus 8T minus 6T minus 48 equals 0. So, and then T times, I get T plus 8 minus 6 times T plus 8. And then I get the two solutions, minus 8 and plus 6. Now T equals minus 8 is not acceptable because time cannot be negative. So T equals 6 is our acceptable answer, acceptable solution. So therefore the time taken is T hours. So Ali takes 6 hours and Beth would take 2 hours more than what Ali takes. That's what we've done here. And so he takes less time, so it's 2 hours more. So Beth would take 8 hours. And that's our answer.